Okay, let's look at activity 2 for unit 3. So this takes the same line of code actually that you had from the previous lesson of 3.1. And what they want you to do is change the numbers inside the block and then try running the program code again. So for example, if we did show the grid here again, and if we run this, it's showing up right here like it did previously. If we change these, because this is the X location, this is the Y location. If we change these, let's just change this to like 200. Okay, and if we show that, now it moves down. So we know if we change the Y location, it's going to be making it move down. And if we change the X location, we'll make that a little bit different, it should move this way. And it did. Okay, so what we want to do is try to place the rectangle in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now we could cheat this a little bit by looking at the grid, and we know, if you notice, the top left corner of the rectangle actually shows up your grid location. This is 300, 200, and so it shows up like that. So if we want to make this 350, 350, that should place it down in this location right here. If we make it 400, 400, I don't think it will even allow us to do that, but if we try that, it'll be outside of the area. And so it'll look like it's not there. But it is actually there, it's just down here in this location, so you can't see that. So let's do 350, 350. And that puts it right there for you. So that's how you get that in the bottom right-hand corner. So this helps you with this lesson. And that's how the coordinates work with the shapes.